right, this is part two, and this is in reference to uh, people that just keep pushing on. Gotta keep pushing on, man, despite whatever comes in your path. But there, like I said, there's a certain group in the society that we live in that people just dislike human nature, humankind. Like, it's like they're fed up with people and they don't want to be around anyone. They just rather be by themselves. The technical word, like I said, is misanthrope. You know, like I said, misanthrope is a person that just like humankind and avoids human society in general. I'm not saying from my experience, this is all I could do and go off of. I'm not saying that like anyone out there listening to me, but this is just me. From my experience, it seems that the more people in my life, the more humans I encounter in my life, the more issues and the more baggage that I have to deal with. It seems to be that when I don't deal with a lot of people, I get a lot more things done. You know, I get a lot more things done. It seems I have more peace when there's less people around me. It may sound a little crazy. When I don't have a lot of people around me, I can think clearer. I just have less to deal with. Less issues and less baggage. And less emotions. It's just more peaceful with just less people. And where you look at it, it shouldn't be like that. It should be the other way around. It should be the more people around you, it should be more peaceful. You know, it should be more happy and enjoyable. But we're living in a day and age where that's not the case anymore. But just look around you. Look how people are acting these days. Look how they live it. It's not just saying that everybody that comes into my life will have issues and baggage, but I have an open mind. Everybody's not the same. So everybody's not going to treat you horribly. They're not going to waste your time. Not everybody. But the thing is that when people come in your life, oh, I went the wrong way. Or if people are already in your life, they should have something to offer you. For real, for real. Especially if you can offer something to someone else, or if you have something on the table. Somebody who comes into your life, they should have something to offer. From my experience, a lot of people who come into my life just don't have a lot to offer, or nothing to offer at all. For the most part, what some people have to offer is just drama and problems. You know, headaches. It's easy to find a negative person these days, but it's harder to find a person who is positive. Isn't that something? Who can actually offer you value. You know, you see, I do a lot of things solo. Just like I'm doing now, tonight, getting that money. But see, I don't have a lot of people to define my existence. I do a lot of things solo. It seems to have a more positive effect when I do things solo. I get more stuff done, you know? I just don't have a lot of people around me. I have more peace. I get a lot done. I can think clearer. I don't have anybody clouding my judgment. I can map out things better. I don't have to deal with if somebody's going to hate me for what I do or what I've tried to show them or is going to approve of what I do. I can step outside of my house, walk around, I could do backflips, clean windows whenever I want. I don't have to worry about somebody saying, oh, don't do that, or don't clean that window that way. I have more freedom. I'm more peaceful. I have more choices to do what I want to do. I don't have to worry about if somebody is going to point the finger and say, don't do that. We have a lot of controlling and arrogant and selfish people in this world. And they just want you to behave like they want you to behave. It is what it is. If somebody hates humankind, you feel me? It's nothing you can pretty much do about that. They just a nasty individual. All I could do is be the best person that I could be. That's all I could do. Sometimes people might feel me. They might get to the point where they in traffic and they can't just wait to get home and just get away from people and get by themselves and just get away from people, period. Like people just disgust them right now. It's sad, but that's how it is, man. People aren't on your level. It's sad because how society now is driving a lot of people and putting people inside of their own capsule, inside their own shell. People will rather live in their own little house these days. It's because it's how society is. But hey, people have more peace in their shell. You don't want people to change you. Society and people are the winners now. Don't let society have dominion over you, over your emotions. And that's not saying that you should just socialize with everybody you come across. You still gotta read people, but at the same time have an open mind. Always have an open mind. Never have a closed mind. Because really, you make the situation worse than what it is now. Don't make it worse. Don't make it worse. But this is Masters at Wagtail, and I'll see you in the next one.